So we just finished fixing a short circuit on the motherboard. This laptop has been shorted for so many reasons, and we rectified the issue. I want to show you something here. I'm already done with the fixing, but I still want to show you what I did here for you to see. If you watch closely here, you will see like there is, this is called, in an electronic design, this is called an open circuit. There was a break voltage here. There was this, if you watch closely, you will see like a line, a wire. This is a wire on the motherboard that went through here. Now the connection was broken here, which caused an open circuit. And here now we have a resistor here, and this resistor was shorted, which caused a short circuit. So I pulled off the resistor from here. This is just one arrow 0 resistor, which I'm still going to replace it, and I connected back this wire. Now the continuation is here, if you can watch closely. So when I did these things, the short on the motherboard was eliminated. There was no any short on the motherboard again. So right now I want to test the motherboard to see the outcome, whether the system is going to turn on. At the initial time, the system was not coming on, and it was not even charging. It was not even showing any charging lights when you plug it. So I'm just done with it, and I tested it. There was no longer short on the power rails and the MOSFET that is on the power rail of that computer system of this one. So let's test. I'm plugging the screen flex connector so that we check if we are going to have a picture too. So here we go. This is the power cable or the power cord, which when you plug it, okay, it shows that a charging light. There was a light there, which was carefully. I've already connected the RAMs and added paste on the processor. Very good. We have a picture on the screen. We did it success. We had a picture on the screen. That is the work, man. I'm so happy we did it. This guy was very, very happy, I swear, because he said he has done it. He took it to so many technicians, they couldn't do it. So we just fixed these shots. Subscribe. This was how the motherboard was when they brought it to me. So this was the second process, and this is when I installed the battery, and this is the complete coupling of the motherboard. So we are good. Make sure you hit the follow button and see for more videos.